So manometer is a device which is used to measure pressure difference, pressure exerted by a gas or pressure difference. For example, children. Now listen carefully, okay? Just please pay attention. If I draw a diagram, and in this diagram, basically manometer is a device in the form of a tube which is in the shape of a U by the English letter U. So we have this U tube meter, manometer. And I am going to discuss various cases. That the case number one, if you see this U tube manometer, and both the ends means this side it is open and this side it is open, means the left side of this meter and the right hand side of this meter both are open. Open means, and if I fill some fluid basically I can put water, I can take mercury, and generally we take mercury. If I put mercury here in this U tube manometer, and as both the tubes are at the same level, both tubes are at the same level, children, and the same place, means both this tube is placed at one particular place, and if it is placed somewhere in such a way that both the ends of the tube are parallel, means they are at the same level, same atmospheric pressure is acting. Same atmospheric pressure means, children, on left side atmospheric pressure, air is acting on the tube, and let me write here PATM, that is the atmospheric pressure, which is around 10 to the power 5 Pascal in normal conditions of temperature. Okay. And on the other side, that the same atmospheric pressure, we are at the same place. So this is same pressure, atmospheric pressure is acting. Due to that, the mercury level in this U tube is at the same level, means that this height, this one and this one, they are at the same position. And there is no difference in height between the liquid in this tube. There is no difference in height. So here in this situation, the pressure difference is zero. What is the pressure difference? Pressure difference is if one side is in one side, if the liquid is deep, or the other side that the liquid is up. So there is a difference in height, but at the water level or the mercury level is at the same position. So there is no difference in pressure, means pressure at the left side or the left limb, LIMB, is equal to the pressure at the right limb. So there is no pressure difference. So if I have to write what is the pressure difference is here, zero. Pressure difference. Atmospheric pressure is there, but in terms of pressure difference, that is zero. Second situation, children. In second situation, again, we have the same U tube manometer. You have to draw a number of times this U tube. So let me take this one. And the second situation is like I have connected the left side. Suppose every time I will say this is the left side, this is the right side. Okay. And this I have connected with a gas supply. Gas supply. Like we connect like a cylinder, LPG cylinder at our home we use. And now gas supply is there. And on the right hand side, this limb is closed. This is the case number one. Now I'm talking about the second situation. On the right hand side, that the limb is closed. So if limb is closed and air gas supply, means the left side of the tube is connected with the gas supply. And here again, same kind of liquid I have taken, mercury. This tube is filled with mercury. Now children, if mercury is there, can you tell me, due to the pressure exerted by the gas supply, so mercury level will be rise to the left hand side or the right hand side, children? In what direction that the level of mercury will rise? Ayush, are you listening? Okay. Yeah, due to the pressure exerted by the gas supply, which is higher, on the right hand side, there is no atmospheric pressure acting. Why? On the right hand side of the tube. Yeah, very good. Because the tube is closed. If you see at the this antenna, okay, so you will find as the tube is closed and is closed, so it means on this side, atmospheric pressure is not acting on the tube, means on the mercury which is inside the tube. So then if I have to show the mercury, I will do this is mercury. Okay, children, and suppose initially now it dipped here, and then children you will find this is the difference in the height of the mercury level in the left hand side and the right hand side position. This h, this h, it can be in centimeter, it can be in millimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So now this difference, if I have actual question is that you need to measure the pressure exerted by the gas supply. So pressure of the gas supply, let me write here, pressure of the gas supply is equal to the difference in the height. Is equal to what, children? Difference in height. It's difference in height. So what is that height here? It is given, suppose if I take but randomly chosen value, suppose 30 millimeter. So it means the pressure of the gas is here 30 millimeter due to mercury. Hg, sorry, Hg. Whatever the height difference here, it's a manometer, it's a tube actually, and here the calibration is there that you can measure that what is the difference in height. So difference, suppose if it is 90 here, if it is 60 here, then you know 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30 meter. You have to measure the difference in the both the sides. So this is the second case, children. Third case maybe, what is the third case? Third situation, it may be like the third possibility is again, we have a YouTube. Let me make the screen clear. Case number third. Again, we have a manometer, a YouTube, and again, the left-hand side is connected with some gas supply. Please remember, this is the gas supply. And maybe this is a situation that if I have a pipe in my hand, and if one side, if I start blowing mercury is there, or water is there. So what happens, children, from where and what side, where I'm exerting a pressure, So in that situation, there is a possibility that the liquid or mercury level rise to the other side in the upward direction to the right hand side limb. But now, children, this is the case number third. Can you see the difference? What is the difference between case number third and with case number two?
It's not closed this time.
Yeah, this time the tube is open. On the left hand side, you can see a gas supply is there. Okay, or maybe gas supply means that the air is trapped, gas is trapped in some container. And on the right hand side, the tube is open to the atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure is there, gas pressure is there. In case number third, there is another one case. Actually, I can say there is two sub cases. That the case number one right now you can see on the screen. And this situation is if I consider that the gas pressure, I'm writing here, gas pressure is higher than, pressure of gas is higher than pressure of atmosphere. This may be the possibility. And the second case that the sub part of the case number third, which is there is another possibility that gas pressure is less compared with the atmospheric pressure. Both possibilities are there. But right now here, if gas pressure is atmospheric pressure, then we have to calculate the pressure of the gas. So the situation is, if gas pressure is higher, then you will find the mercury level in the tube will slightly raise in the right hand side tube. How? So again, children, that the same diagram, I will take that in the left hand side, due to the pressure of the gas, left hand side mercury, it will dip, and on the right hand side, it will raise to the same amount. So suppose this is the highest position that the mercury raised. Okay, you have to show mercury, you can fill it. Okay, and now what is the height difference? A height difference is always taken from the top level of the mercury in the right hand side limb and the lowest level of the mercury in the left hand side limb. So what is the height difference, children? Here, this height difference is, this is the lowest one here I will take, and if I join, so this much height. So this much height, that is h here. I will take some time in explaining this topic, children. So listen carefully. After that, we will practice some questions. This h is the height difference. Now the question is, what is the gas pressure? That is our task. We need to calculate. We want to calculate the gas pressure, pressure exerted by the gas in this situation. So right now here, children, as you can see, tube is open to the atmospheric pressure. So here, atmospheric pressure is there. Second, pressure due to height is there. So gas pressure, you can write one equation, atmospheric pressure. On this side, you can draw atmospheric pressure is acting, pressure due to air column on the right hand side, plus, what plus, children? What, children? Pressure due to
Yes.
pressure due to mercury column. So Hg column. So what do you mean by this part? Let me write in another step. Atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to that the mercury in this tube, and I have the expression for that. It is given by H, density into gravity. Height, density of mercury, gravity, gravitational field strength. So in this situation, children, in this situation, pressure of a gas is the sum of atmospheric pressure. It is acting, and I know here I can do atmospheric pressure 760 millimeter in normal condition of mercury, plus if height is given again, children, whatever the value, maybe 10 centimeter, or suppose let me take in millimeter, 10 millimeter of mercury. So then the total pressure of the gas will be 760 plus 10. This will be 770 millimeter. I will do some questions at the end of this meeting. This topic, sorry, one extra 770 millimeter. Remember, children, that the value of this H rho G I have taken in terms of millimeter, 10 millimeter due to mercury. So this is due to mercury, 770. This is the pressure of the gas. In what situation, children? When gas pressure is higher, and due to higher pressure of gas, that the mercury level raised in the right hand side. Now come to the sub part of the case number 3.
Sir,
Yes, please.
could you please re-explain the part where the pressure of the atmosphere is 760 millimeters?
Atmospheric pressure, we know from the general value that what is the atmospheric pressure? 760 millimeter of mercury. If it is given 760 millimeter of mercury, 730 millimeter of mercury, 720, whatever the value is given, sometimes this pressure may be in terms of pascals, depending upon if it is in pascal, this is 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. So if it is in the terms of pascals, then you can write H rho G. You have to make this value into pascals also. You have to take the value of height. What is the height there? What is the density is there? Okay, density of mercury or density of water. What is the value of G? So you can add. We will practice that kind of question also, Kezia. Okay, but here in terms of pressure due to mercury, pressure of a gas is given by atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to the height. pressure due to this liquid column in this mercury tube on the right hand side. So let me come to the second part of this topic, third subpart, and that is if gas pressure is lower than the atmospheric pressure, then may I know, children, what happens if gas pressure is lower? What will be the situation, and what difference you will find in the level in the mercury tube in this manometer, children?
The mercury will rise to the right, to the left, I mean.
The left side, it's higher.
The left side will be higher than the right side, which shows the higher gas pressure.
Are you agree here, children? That left-hand side, if atmospheric pressure is higher, I think that if atmospheric pressure is higher, so then what happens due to the higher pressure acting on the limb, and due to that, this mercury level, it starts raising upward to a certain height, children, okay? And so you can draw this diagram, and let me draw. Again, you practice to draw a U-tube. And finally, I will that mercury raise to this side. Okay, and so it will dip here. PATM, remember, atmospheric pressure is acting. Still here, this is connected with a power supply. A gas is there, or maybe gas is contained in a container, so that you can fill it with mercury. Again, children, that the difference in height. What is that difference in height? This much. So this is H here. This H. Now, if pressure of gas is lesser than the atmospheric pressure, so the situation will be pressure of gas will be atmospheric pressure minus what? Liquid column in the U-tube. Yeah. Okay. Pressure due to that column. So I will write that value H. Rosie, remember, you need to put minus sign. This is the case. Please remember, if atmospheric pressure is greater than, definitely you have to take minus sign. Why? As I have taken the previous case, look at the previous case, case number 3, children. I have taken the 760 millimeter, 760, and minus sign here. And again, I will take that the same height, suppose 10 millimeter due to mercury. Remember, this is in millimeter, and this will be 750. And 750 millimeter is the pressure of a gas due to mercury, millimeter mercury. Okay, 750. As you can see, compare the result here. It is 770 when the pressure of gas is higher, and now the pressure of gas is lower. Definitely, our answer should be lesser than the atmospheric pressure. It cannot be higher than the atmospheric pressure, because we have taken the pressure of gas is lesser than the atmospheric pressure. So our answer should be lesser than the atmospheric pressure. Is this clear, this topic, children? Okay, so I think that's for this topic, that the basics I have explained to you. Now let us do questions and identify how many questions we can do with this concept. Okay, so just wait a minute, children. And in question number 1, what is the pressure difference in centimeter of water shown by the manometer?
9.
As per the options which is given, children, as per the options, and if you look, a manometer is attached to a gas cylinder as shown in the diagram. What is the pressure difference in centimeter of water shown by the manometer? So pressure difference is due to the difference in height. Pressure difference is the difference in height, children. And what is that difference in height? Just 25 minus what?
Minus 16.
Minus
5
16.
9
16
centimeters.
okay?
It's 9.
This
Yeah.
we get nines. They have given this value in centimeter. So 9 centimeter. Where is 9 here? It is written. According to option, children, wisely you have to choose your answer. So 9 centimeters answer. Let's move to the next question, children. And question number 2 here. The diagram shows the levels X and Y. You read yourself, children, carefully. Statement. What is the pressure of the gas supply? Read all 4 options carefully.
Is it D?
Yeah. Read the 4 options. What is the pressure of the gas supply? 18 centimeter of liquid below atmospheric pressure, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 80 centimeter of liquid above atmospheric pressure. Now, children, how would you find out the answer of this question? If you see this diagram, the height is always taken at the lowest level and the highest level. So lowest level X is there and the highest level is the point Y. What is the difference in height? This the total height.
18 centimeters.
So 9 plus 9, 18 centimeter. Okay. 9 plus 9, 18 centimeter. I'm okay with 18 centimeter. But 18 centimeters is coming in option A as well as option D. So which one is the right answer? A? or
I
D?
think it's A because on the right hand side it's much higher, which shows much greater atmospheric pressure, which means that gas pressure is lower. So it's below, I think.
Children, you think about this. Option A or D?
I think it's above atmospheric
I
pressure.
think it's D. I think it's
Yeah,
above.
D.
Because
I
if
feel like
the
that's
if the pressure from the gas is higher, it means that the right side is
Yeah.
higher, right?
Yeah, clear. 'Cause
Oh, yeah. Ah,
B, 18 centimeter of a liquid above atmospheric pressure. Because here, atmospheric pressure is lesser. Tube is raising, the right hand side is raising.
okay,
upward.
so D.
So the pressure of the gas is higher, and then your answer will be 18 centimeter of liquid above atmospheric pressure. This is the same situation, children, that we got the answer 770, and in the second case, 750. So 770, the pressure of the gas should be higher than above the atmospheric pressure. Now, this is the situation that the case number 3 that we discussed, and it's part A, that when gas pressure is higher than the atmospheric pressure. So 18 centimeter, is this clear, children? All of you sitting here in the Zoom?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I got confused.
Okay, good. Now, question number next, third question. Question number 3, children. Pressure can be measured in centimeter of water. And a manometer is there. Look at this diagram carefully. Pressure of a gas.
Is it A?
Yeah, I think it's
Yep, it's A.
Yeah, it's A. Actually, if you are struggling in this question, children, so don't confuse with this 4 centimeter of height, because we take the pressure difference due to the toe position here and this one, the bottom one. So that height difference is 8 centimeter. It's not 8 plus 4. It's not 8 plus 4. Okay. So maybe sometimes they can ask, what is the pressure at this point? So, and then at this point, if they mention that this point A is here, so what is the pressure? So at that time you can add 8 plus 4. But right now the pressure difference here, that this is height difference, which is 8, and 8 centimeter of, and 8 centimeter water more than atmospheric pressure. Option A. Question number 4. Read carefully, children.
C.
I think it's C as well.
It's
Yeah,
a,
C.
it's a simple question. It's very simple.
Because the gas supply falls, meaning that
Good.
gas pressure will also be the same.
Yeah, gas supply and liquid level, water level raising into the right hand side tube. So as per the option, water level at P, where is point P? It will dip, move down, and so it should be falls. Water level at P. And water level at Q. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. It's not the gas is leak. Okay, there is a leak in gas. And the pressure of the gas supply falls. What happens to the water level at P? What happens, children, if the gas start leaking from the container? Sneha,
So like the gas pressure goes down and then the water, the point of P rises while as it rises,
yeah.
Q point.
Okay, I got your point, Sneha. Thank you. So in this situation, what is the situation? Gas leakage. Leakage is there. So it means the pressure of the gas supply will slowly decrease, and the atmospheric pressure will overtake the gas pressure. So in that situations, that the rise of water level at point P, it will go upward because the atmospheric pressure is increasing now, and the water level at point Q, it falls. So right answer is option number C. Vishwa, is this clear? This is C.